Still, when I remember, my eyes become watery. These village men and women who were my gurus, both my gurus, Yogananda Puri and Vibhudananda Puri, what a extraordinary intelligence they were having. From the beginning, they were so clear. See, by being around them, automatically I picked up this attitude of anything I want to know, I can know. Anything I want to do, I can do. This was not taught systematically to me. Please understand. Like how in our ashram, if you live, you will simply get the confidence to do completion and to do Nirahara Samyama, because you will see every other person will be doing Nirahara Samyama. Every other person will be sitting and doing completion. You will not have neck pain to wear this big mala because every other person will be wearing. Just things are in the air. You see, there are some things which are not taught. You pick it up from the air. With my both gurus, it was so amazing. Just in their air I picked up. In their presence I picked up that if you want to know anything, you can know. Simply. If you want to do something, you can do. Simply. I never know whether it is a swimming or climbing the hill or anything, human beings need to be taught. I always thought, you want, just jump and do it. Not just the swimming and trekking, everything. I still remember one day I went to Mataji, Vibhudananda Puri, and told her, the temple, such beautiful deity is there. It is so nice. I want like that. She said, you make it. I did not even ask how. And immediately, from my neighbor, I got one mold of Lakshmi and made a clay mold out of it. And did not get any other metal other than few aluminium plates from my mother. I asked her, give me some waste metal. She did not know what for I am asking. She had some 4 or 5 aluminium plates. She said, this is useless, take it. She thought I am going to give it to some sadhus for begging. So she said, take this. I immediately brought that and melted and poured the mold and made the deity. Still we have the deity. That was done by me personally in my own hand. And then after the mold, I cleared it and I myself carved it. I was hardly 12-year-old boy. Did not even have a second thought. When I did and took it and gave it to my guru, she said, this is your Lakshmi. She said, this is your Lakshmi. This ability to look into anything and the space of completion to look into anything and no incompletions about anything, simply possibility. everything is doable and do it. Not only doable, do it. Blind spots are not inabilities, they are choices. Thinking blind spot is inability is karma. Understanding it is a choice is freedom from karma. Don't even know about inability and possibility, and simply you are living, making everything possible is vikarma. I neither know it is difficult for some people, easy for some people. I simply did it, like breathing, like living. Still we have that Lakshmi deity with us. When I went and told the deity is so beautiful, I want like that one deity, she neither discouraged me, nor she started explaining how to get it. She said, make it, you can. I tell you, having the clarity, anything is possible. No blind spot is our inability, it is only our choice. Is sarvanyatva. Have this clarity. Anything is possible.